All right, what you're about to see is about 3 hours worth of work. That's my SteppIR tower. And you notice I'm taking the first thing I'm going to do is take the little side panels off there. Those are there specifically to keep grandkids and people like that from climbing the tower. It's always good to do that. It's a little safer. Now I'm taking the bolts off, and that's my wife. She's NI7Y. She's helping out a little bit there. But yeah, taking the bolts off. That's a U.S. tower, 55 heavy-duty 55 footer. I've got a tilt plate on the top, so you'll see as I tilt this thing over, it's going to stay horizontal. It's kind of important with a stepper to do that because there's so much stuff you have to do with one to keep it going. It's well worth the time though, and energy and expense. It is a really nice antenna. So yeah, here we see the thing staying pretty much horizontal. You can see the on the left there the trombone that slipped off in the wind. It's interesting that whenever I bring it down to do any kind of servicing on it, I check everything, and I found some loose screws and stuff. I have every time, so it's just one of those things. There is a lot to go wrong, so there is that. We're adding adding a plastic cover, like the stuff you find in an engine, in cars, and gonna put the control cable and the coax and the rotor cable all inside, encapsulated there. Arizona sun can be really tough on anything that's plastic out there, so I'd rather it be chewing through the UV chewing through that plastic than my control cables for sure. So anyway, there I'm working on fixing the bad trombone. Got that going. Now I'm checking everything else that's in there to see what needs adjusting. The center element actually blew off of it last winter. There was a really bad windstorm, and I think the antenna actually tilted vertical. Somehow it got past the car lock thing, went vertical, and blew the element off. The plastic had been in Arizona sun for 15 years, so it actually busted through all 12 of the screw things. They just popped holes in them. So since they've stopped manufacturing, I bought about $500 worth of extra parts, a couple new plastic covers, and some other things. Plus, I already have two extra motors, and some more beryllium straps. So I think I'm good to go. I just want it to last as long as I do. I'm 72, so another 15 years probably do it. So let's see, what am I doing there? Yeah, just going around checking the lines and things. I was going to change out the nylon line that holds the elements up, but I guess I did that a previous time because they're new. You see the block of wood there? It's a huge block of wood. I use that to let it lay on it when it's down. Cranking it up, I wish it only took as long as I'm seeing it here. It's I actually cut out some times when I went and sat under the tree and rested for a bit. But anyway, you can see things coming into place. If you look really hard at the video there, you can see the little hook hanging down, just from the center down, and that hook keeps the beam from flipping, supposedly. But there you go. The problems that I found that really was the problem that I've struggled with for a month is I have two lightning arresters for the control cables, and they were not good. Their MLVs were shot in them, and that messed up the control line. Then I found out the box, the plug on the back of a stepper needs to be tight against the box when you screw in the little finger screws to tighten it up. because it's threaded also, so it doesn't cinch it up against the box. You got to do it when you're screwing it in. Anyway, so put the sides back on, and I have a hoist for making the thing go up, and you'll see that I don't go all the way up with it anyway. For wind purposes and the fact that we're at 6,000 feet, don't know that another 10 feet makes a big difference. Seems to work good. But anyway, there you go.